Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 12th mathematics chapter 5 continuity and differentiability, we are going to solve the exercise 5.3. In this exercise we will learn how to find out the derivative of homogeneous function. Okay students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, let's start. Now the question is, find dy by dx of 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. So students, here we have to find out what dy by dx. So here 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Now what we have to do? We have to find out differentiation with respect to x. So differentiate this equation with respect to x. So differentiating on the both side with respect to x over here. So d by dx 2x plus 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. Okay student, so derivation of x is what? 1. So 2 plus derivation of y will be dy by dx with respect to x, and similarly derivation of sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now we want to find out dy by dx, so we are getting cos x minus 2. So dy by dx will be what, students? Cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Okay students, in this way you can find out derivative of the function. Let us see the next question. X into y plus y square is equal to 10x plus y. Find dy by dx. What we have to find out? Dy by dx. So let us see the solution. Here it is been given that x into y plus y square is equal to 10x plus y. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So after differentiating with respect to x, right, differentiating with respect to x, so d by dx x into y plus y square is equal to d by dx of 10x plus y, 10x plus y. So derivation of x into y, so we will separating these things. So derivation of x into y plus derivation of y square, so differentiation of 10x plus differentiation of y, right? So here we will use the formula u into v. So x will be constant, differentiation of y, right, and now y will be constant, differentiation of x will be 1. Okay, plus differentiation of y square is 2y and differentiation of y again, so dy by dx. So differentiation of 10x, sec square x, and differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Now students, here dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. From these terms we are taking common dy by dx and sending y to the right side. So finally we are getting, after taking the common dy by dx from these terms, so x plus 2y, and from here will be minus 1 is equal to sec square goes to the right side, so sec square minus y. So finally we want to find out dy by dx. So what will be the value of dy by dx? So dy by dx will be what? Sec square x minus sec square x minus y divided by this term, means x plus 2y minus 1, x plus 2y minus 1. Okay students, now moving to the next question. The question is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Find dy by dx. So here it has been given that sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx of sin square x plus cos square y is equal to differentiation of 1. So sin square x, so 2 into sin x, again differentiating with respect x, sin x, so right. Now differentiation of cos square x, 2 cos x, 2 cos y. Now differentiating cos y again, so d by dx cos y, here will be 0. Now we are getting 2 sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos y. Now differentiation of cos y will be minus sin y, right, and differentiation of y again with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to 0. We want to find out dy by dx, so we can write 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, and here is minus 2 cos sin y cos y. Dy by dx is equal to 0. So this will be sin 2x and here will be minus sin 2y. Dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx will be what? Sin 2x is equal to sin 2y is equal to sin 2x. So dy by dx is equal to sin 2x upon sin 2y. Sin 2x upon sin 2y. Right students, in this way you can find out the differentiation of function sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Okay, now moving to the next question. The question is, if y is equal to sin inverse 2x 1 plus x square, so find dy by dx. Means here we will find the differentiation of inverse function. Here what is given, that y sin inverse 2x 1 plus x square. So students, in place of x we will put sin theta, so we will get the formula of sin 2 theta. So considering x is equal to, this time we can putting tan theta, so theta will be what? Tan inverse x. So in place of x we are putting tan theta, right? So y is equal to sin inverse, so 2x in place of x tan theta, so 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is the formula of sin 2 theta. So sin inverse, this is sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta will be there. So y will be what, students? Sin 2 theta, writing over here sin 2 theta. Okay, sin inverse sin 2 theta. Okay, so y is equal to 2 theta. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, now put the value of theta, so tan inverse x. Okay, now this equation will be differentiated with respect to x. Okay, so we are getting over here dy by dx to tan inverse, derivation of tan inverse x, so differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So finally we are getting 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now students, moving to the next question. Now the question is, if y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square, where 0 less than x less than 1, so we have to find out dy by dx. So let us see the solution. Here it has been given that y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now in place of x we writing tan theta, So theta will be what? Tan inverse x. So here y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is the formula of cos 2 theta, right students? So this is cos 2 theta. Now cos will be cancelled, so we are getting 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Now differentiating with respect to x again. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, differentiation of tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So the value of dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Right students? In this way you can find out the differentiation of inverse function. Earlier we have seen how to find out the differentiation of sine inverse function, and this is what? Cos inverse function. Now moving to the next question. The question is y is equal to cos inverse 2x 1 plus x square, where 0 less than x less than 1. We have to find out dy by dx. So let us see the solution. Here y is equal to cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Right students? Now in place of x, putting tan theta, so theta will be what? Tan inverse x. Right students? So y is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this ratio become the formula of sin 2 theta. So cos inverse, this will be what? Sin 2 theta, right students? Sin 2 theta. Now sin 2 theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta, right? So cos inverse, this sign can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now cos inverse will be cancelled with cos, so y will be what? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay students, so differentiating with respect to x by putting the value of theta, so d by dx pi by 2 minus 2 theta is tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x will be over here, so tan inverse x. So differentiation of tan inverse x, 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths.